Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. The pink, we've got a winter weather warning, winter weather advisory for northern portions, kind of above that pink in Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and parts of Florida. Yes, a winter weather watch, advisory, warning. All of those locations are going to be somewhat dealing with winter weather over the next couple of days. So I'm here to break it all down for you. But outside right now, we've got cloudy skies. We're in the mid-50s. A lot of us in the 40s and 50s. This is much colder than yesterday. We had that front roll through. It brought us some of those afternoon showers and storms. Some of us actually was earlier in the day up in our northwestern zones. But look at our change. 15, 20, 30 degrees colder this morning. And then you factor in the winds. The cold feels colder because wind chill values are in the 30s now in Ocala, DeLand, Palm Coast. You can see those numbers in the mid and upper 30s, and really portions of Flagler, Marion, Sumter County, and north. We do have that cold weather advisory remaining in place until 10 o'clock because of the wind chill values expected to dip into the 20s. Freeze warnings issued for Marion and Flagler County, although I do not expect us to actually reach freezing levels this morning. Seeing the temperatures where we stand now, I think we'll get upper 30s, but note it's going to feel like freezing. The wind chill will get into the low 30s later this morning. Here we are at noon. Wind chill values still in the 40s. We'll have a quick drop actually back into the 30s, 7, 8 o'clock. Many of our communities will actually have wind chill values into the 30s again. So breezy and very cold today. We'll get some afternoon sunshine. Highs will eventually get into the low to mid 50s. But again, many of us will not feel those mid 50s later today. Overnight tonight, it's going to actually get colder, 30s and 40s for us. But isolated showers are going to start to pop up for us. And leading into Tuesday and Wednesday, which is going to be a pretty soggy day here locally. You can see we've got some heavy rainfall. But look at that winter weather moving into the Panhandle, parts of North Florida. And again, when we talk about the models, kind of this line of sleet in parts of North Florida, if it sags a little bit further southward, areas of Marion County could get some of that sleet action, Flagler County as well. But for here locally, I'm still forecasting just rainfall. We're really going to be watching that line, though, closely. And it's going to be a cold rain. We've got highs that will stay in the 50s for really the first half of the week, mornings in the 30s and 40s. By the end of the week, we'll get some sunshine. Our afternoons will rebound, but our coldest morning will actually come Saturday morning with nearly widespread 30s. Our time now, just about 5:15.